In episode 8, review of the contents of Revolutionary Health book, which is on sale on Amazon, is continued. Emphasis is on fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins, and vitamin A. Vitamins which can dissolve in fat are called fat-soluble vitamins, while vitamins which can dissolve in water are called water-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. They dissolve in fats, otherwise known as lipids. Small amounts of fat-soluble vitamins are needed for good health. Any extra fat-soluble vitamins are stored for long periods of time in the liver and in adipose or fat tissue. Because of the slow elimination of fat-soluble vitamins from the body, excessive use of vitamins A, D, E, and K supplements can result in vitamin toxicity and illness. To help prevent this problem, the amount of vitamin and mineral supplements taken in one day should not exceed the daily recommended dosages. The water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, otherwise known as thiamine, vitamin B2, otherwise known as riboflavin, vitamin B3, otherwise known as niacin, vitamin B5, otherwise known as pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, otherwise known as pyridoxine, vitamin B7, otherwise known as biotin, vitamin B9, otherwise known as folic acid or folate, vitamin B12, otherwise known as cobalamin, vitamin C, otherwise known as ascorbic acid. Unlike fat-soluble vitamins, significant amounts of water-soluble vitamins are lost as a result of cooking foods containing them. However, the cooking process determines what percentage of each of these vitamins is lost. Both fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamin toxicity can occur in persons taking vitamin and mineral supplements. Vitamin toxicity would not occur in healthy individuals eating a healthy, balanced diet to provide their vitamin and mineral requirements. Vitamin A is the name used for a group of retinoids, including retinal, retinol, and retinyl compounds. The forms of vitamin A available in the human diet are preformed vitamin A, namely retinol and retinyl ester, provitamin A carotenoids such as beta-carotene. In the body, provitamin A carotenoids are converted to provitamin A. Both preformed vitamin A and provitamin A are converted by the body cells to active forms of vitamin A, which are retinal and retinoic acid. Vitamin A is involved in many activities and functions, including as an antioxidant, bone development, cell division, cellular communication, facilitating physical activities, gene expression, immune function, keeping skin and mucous membranes moist, participating in the growth and development of various organs and systems of the body, reproduction, teeth development, vision, including participation in development and function of the eyes. Sources of vitamin A include eggs, fish oils such as fish oil, omega fish oil, and cod liver oil, fortified cereals, liver, milk and dairy products, including butter, cheese, yogurt, plant sources which contain the antioxidant beta-carotene, including fruits and vegetables which have colors such as orange, as in carrot, orange, peach, yellow, as in mango, pumpkin, pawpaw or papaya, dark green, as in spinach, peas, okra, lettuce. The body converts beta-carotene to vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A usually occurs in persons with inadequate dietary intake. Clinical features of vitamin A deficiency include blindness. This is due to corneal ulceration and scarring which follows. Decreased resistance to infection, dry, rough skin, increased risk of infections, increased tendency for anemia, impaired bone development, impaired teeth development. Xerophthalmia. This is a condition in which the eyes fail to produce tears. Xerophthalmia can be caused by a deficiency of vitamin A and by other causes. One of the early signs of xerophthalmia is night blindness, that is, inability to see in dim light. Clinical features of too much vitamin A, hypervitaminosis A, include birth defects, blurred vision, dizziness, dry, itchy skin, growth impairment, headache, hip fracture, loss of appetite, nausea, which is a sensation of wanting to vomit. In episode 9, examination of the contents of Revolutionary Health book would be continued.